this is Kendra Pike with SuriaShines.com. Today I wanted to go over a marketing tip that I think will help most small business owners, chiropractors, professional services, law firms. I think it's very critical to ask yourself this question. The question really for today is how do I make my website work for me? I think there is a misconception about what a website should do. If the website is not providing you with leads, the right leads, quality leads that your sales team can close, or that your business practice can really, bring in as a viable client or patient, then that website's not working for you. If you're not getting leads, there's really no point to the website. You should actually probably dump it and look into other investments for your business. Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure you're getting traffic to your website. You want to make sure that the visitors are filling out the form. The second thing is it should attract the right customer. If you're getting a customer that is a consumer and you're targeting businesses, then really and truly, what is the point of having your website? A bad lead is a waste of time for you and your staff. And the third and final thing is if it has to exist. If your customers can't find you and your competitor appears on the top, then you have lost the opportunity, because today everyone's doing a Google search, everyone is looking at reviews online. Your digital reputation is critical, and I'll do an episode on digital reputation as well. But ultimately, at the end of the day, your website should work for you. In order to make sure that your website's found, you have to take an analysis of your business. Do you service a particular area? So you should have local SEO. Are you nationwide? Are you going to take clients in the United States? You can target your SEO regionally, but you can also target it by keywords. You want to really think about what your target audience is going to search for. So if you're a chiropractor, for example, they are more likely to search for things that are interesting or that they may need help with. For example, tips on back pain. That's going to be a topic you'd write on your blog. That's going to be a keyword that you put, because you wrote the blog, you get to use in your descriptions. So there's very specific ways to target the right audience, and also to be found. So again, your website should get you leads, it should get you the right clients, and it should be found. So if you need any help or would like us to do a free audit of your current digital space, for example, we can find out exactly where you are, and then we'll sit with you and set some new goals, and we'll hit your targets. We'll make sure you get there so that your website is actually functioning for you. You'll have a happy sales team and an even happier revenue stream. So if you'd like to give us a call, you can reach out to us on our website, which is SuriaShines.com. That's SURYA shines with an S.com, and we'll talk to you on the next episode. Thanks.